Hi everyone, so I'm going to go through the application for admission with you today. All the highlighted stuff is everything that you need to fill out. Everything else we'll go through as I do it, but everything else is optional, but we do need everything that is highlighted. So at the top, it's just your name, so I will put my last initial, my first name, and my middle initial. Let's say I was applying for fall. And let's say I was applying for this upcoming fall, so that would be 2021. My email, I'll just make something up here. So you'll put your email there, that's very important. Home country, address, so where you would get mail if you're at home right now, not once you're in California. So for me, that would be somewhere in Canada, so I'll put that. So you would fill out the whole thing. College history, it'll be your first time to enroll at any college. For me, if I was attending COC for the first time, I've already attended college, so I would check off this one. And for your major, you can put undecided, which is fine, but it is important. We need to know kind of what you're looking to do. So for me, it would be psychology. You can look on our website for the full list of majors. Educational goal, if you're looking to transfer for a bachelor's degree, which most people are when they're coming to a community college, you'll check this top one, which is transfer with an associate degree. That's also what I'm doing right now. So from here, again, you're just going to put the same information up here with your name. You'll want to make sure you check one of these off if you're still in high school when you start at the college versus if you have completed it before your classes start. So I'm going to assume that one. Now, with your application, you need to include a clear copy of the photo page of your passport, a clear copy of the USA visa if you have one, and a clear picture of how you look today. This is very important. We need that in order to continue. Now, with your visa status, you can fill it in if you have an F1 visa. Otherwise, just leave it blank. When you sign, this is just agreeing that we are able to use your photos for promotional or educational purposes, and that we can print your I-94 at any time. So you would sign and date it. Okay, so this is your application statement. So you would put your name again up here, the name that's on your passport, not your given name, not your nickname. And then you're just gonna handwrite a little bit about yourself on this page. So about your favorite things, your people, your educational goals, why you're coming to College of the Canyons specifically. So that would be all on this page here. It only needs to fill up this page. This really shouldn't take you too long, maybe 20 minutes at the most. This is pretty simple. And it's also very important, we would love to hear about how you found out about College of the Canyons. So if you found out from a recruitment fair, if we met you there, or if we came to your city and said hello and met you, or if you just emailed us out of the blue because you found us on the internet, let us know. We want to know that information. Okay, and then this last page, again, you'll print your name. And this is just the approval form to release your student information. So this really comes down to if you want your parents to get your grades. The most important thing is we just have your name, your signature, and if there's anyone that you know for sure you want to send that information, you can send it that way. Don't forget your passport. Very important. So that's it. It's a super simple application process. If I was actually filling this out, it would probably take me about 20 minutes. But otherwise, as you can see, I only took a couple minutes to go through it with you guys. So please feel free to email isp@canyons.edu if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.